2-bedroom, 2-bath home located on a quiet cul-de-sac in Village Quarter. Open concept living/dining room with split bedroom floor plan. The living room is spacious with stone fireplace and is open to the dining room area. Eat-in kitchen with granite countertops. Enjoy peaceful days outdoors on the patio with fenced yard. HOA fee is $5.50/year, includes access to the heated saltwater pool, tennis courts, pickleball, playground, and free use of the fully applianced clubhouse. Don't miss this opportunity to live on the east side of Terre Haute, conveniently located close to parks, trails, shopping, and new ventures coming to the area.